Hi friends, my name is Mr. Jake. Today, let's learn how to make the letter Q in sign language. This is how you make a Q, make a Q, make a Q. This is how you make a Q in sign language. Very good, friends. We learned how to make the letter Q in sign language. Now that we've done that, do you know what time it is? It's time to see what's hiding inside of our mystery box today. I wonder what's first. Let's find out. I found something. A quarter. That's worth 25 cents. I wonder what's next. I found something else. A quina. That's a type of flute. Okay, there should be one more thing hiding inside of our mystery box. I wonder what it is. Any guesses? Let's find out. I found it. A quail.
Mommy?
Quarter, quina, and quail all start with the letter Q. Now, let's watch a video on quails. A quail is a small, short-tailed bird. Quails' heads feature a plume or a top knot that looks like a single feather, but it is actually a cluster of 6 overlapping feathers. Quails typically weigh 1 to 2 pounds. They feed mostly on the ground in grassy fields and meadows. They are often hunted for sport. Quails lay many eggs, even more than chickens do. Thanks for learning all about the letter Q with me today, friends, and I'll see you again next time.